Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu wa ahdah. This important message by Mutakallim Islam, Shaykh Tariqat, Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghumman, Hafizahullah. Wave the green crescent flag. Nations around the world love their homeland and should do so. In the same way, the Pakistani nation loves its homeland. The real requirement of love is to use one's abilities in its construction and development. Let every Pakistani citizen play his role in making Pakistan's name bright and peaceful, prosperous and developed as compared to other countries. Secondly, every nation in the world sees and should look at its flag fly with respect and dignity. We also have to understand the greatness of the green crescent flag. Yes, but unlike other countries, it is not yet another flag, but it is an appraisal of the Islamic Republic Pakistan is emerging, which means the knowledge of Islam and its greatness. I urge all the people of Pakistan that this is our country. Its freedom has come after many sacrifices. We should be happy on its Independence Day and send a message to the whole world that we prostrate before Him in a gratitude for the great blessings that have befallen on us in the shape of our country. Therefore, from 1st of August, you should hoist the flag of Pakistan on your home, office and institution, along arrange a Pakistan seminar, conference, etc. on 14 August. We should hoist the green crescent flag on our educational institutions, shopping malls, homes and offices, etc. Especially on the occasion of Independence Day, we are ready to work together to protect its ideological and geographical boundaries. And in the last, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He protect us, our Pakistani nation, our beloved country, from all the enemies around the world. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.